Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dr. Anand Joshi, and I have been here since 5 days at Purnashakti Wellness Centre with my wife. And the main thing about this entire wellness center is that it is backed by all the therapies which will enhance your entire wellness, and whatever the ailment you face in your normal days, it will cure it. And the main core part about this entire center is that the nature of the entire team. It's very good, and the food they serve is very simple, but at the same time tasty. And the nature of the Masi, the cook, is very good, and she blessed us with many varieties of simple food, which is sattvic food, with her blessed hands. We enjoyed it. The stay is very beautiful, the environment is very beautiful, and the people who come here for the therapies are also very familiar. They network with us. And the main thing which I felt about this entire wellness center is that they provide us with the tourism. They let us go out in the centers. Say for example, we went to Satadhar, which is Appa Giga temple, and another one is that Ramnath, which is in the Taleti, Ramnath Taleti. So the holistic approach is there. So I wish you all that you come here, you stay here. The longer you will stay, the better you will feel in your life. So this is not this is actually a preventive measures to keep with your health. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much. Take care.